What if you could avoid high interest and still have a reliable credit card? Most people overlook low-fee cards, but the surprising truth is they can save you hundreds every year. Let's review the CommBank Low-Fee Credit Card. This card is designed for everyday spending with minimal costs. It has a lower annual fee compared to premium cards and a competitive interest rate. It is ideal for people who carry small balances or want a simple card without rewards. You get fraud protection, mobile banking access, and purchase security. While there are no points or travel perks, you also avoid high ongoing fees. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. A low-fee card is best when you want to reduce interest costs, not earn rewards. In conclusion, the CommBank Low-Fee Credit Card is a smart choice for budget-conscious users. Subscribe for more credit card reviews and money tips. Title start maximizer CRM honest review watch before using title be in the script start what if the CRM you choose today ends up slowing your business down tomorrow. Most people rush into customer relationship tools without knowing what they really offer, but the surprising truth about Maximizer CRM is that it is designed for teams who want structure, not complexity. Let's break down exactly how it works, who it's for, and whether it's worth your time. Maximizer CRM is a customer management platform used by small and mid-sized businesses to track leads, manage contacts, and follow sales activity. When you first log in, you see a clean dashboard with pipelines, tasks, and customer records all in one place. This makes it easy to see who needs follow-ups and where deals are stuck. The core feature is contact management. You can store names, emails, phone numbers, notes, and even past conversations. Everything is searchable, so you never lose track of a lead. The pipeline view shows your sales stages visually, helping you move prospects from first contact to closed deal. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They think CRMs are only for sales. Maximizer also works well for customer support, account management, and long-term client relationships. The task reminders help teams stay organized and avoid missed follow-ups. Another standout feature is reporting. You can see how many leads you gain, how fast deals move, and which team members perform best. This data helps you make smarter business decisions instead of guessing. The downside is that the interface can feel old compared to modern cloud tools. It also takes time to set up properly, but once it's running, it becomes a strong central hub for your customer data. In conclusion, Maximizer CRM is a solid choice for businesses that want structure, tracking, and accountability. It may not be flashy, but it gets the job done. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more honest software reviews and business tips.